Now, if you think about the MDL, and we're all going to be at this hearing in July, and we're going to find out where this thing's going, plaintiffs, when you look at it, have asked that it go to a bunch of different places. I mean, you got a group asking for some of the coastal states like Alabama, Mississippi, and then you've got a huge group of folks asking for the Eastern District of Louisiana. And then you've even got a group asking for the Southern District of Texas, plaintiffs' lawyers asking for the Southern District of Texas. Now, obviously, BP has asked for the case to be in the Southern District of Texas. And you might ask, well, why is that? I think we can all imagine why that is. And that's where they're basically located. And the question that the JPMDL panel is going to have to answer is, where is all this going? And when you look at the number of cases, I think that probably the place that's been the most impacted, at least right now, I mean, the oil spill hasn't even been stopped yet, is Louisiana. And a lot of people, I think, have jumped to the conclusion a little bit that it's going to go to the Eastern District of Louisiana. And I don't think you can make that assumption at this point in time. There is a judge there who I think would be a good judge. I think he would like to have the case. I think he's open to having the case. He's certainly been holding hearings, Judge Barbier, and I think that he would be a very good judge for this. But I don't know that the panel will send it there. Trying to figure out where the panel will send the case is kind of like trying to guess when the oil spill is going to stop. I mean, it's a pretty tough guesstimate. But one of the topics I was assigned is what's going to happen when it goes to the Eastern District, and I really can't address that because I don't think that any of us know that it's going to go to the Eastern District. What I can tell you is that, for instance, this might be a case where the panel assigns several judges. They might assign several judges in the same district or in different districts, and they may split up the types of claims. They may send one type of claims to one judge and another type of claims to another judge. This could be a case where, for example, I know Perry and his firm, and actually I did this for my clients because we have some experience with this judge, where we asked that the panel consider sending a judge who we know has tremendous experience in MDL and has tremendous experience actually in BP claims, because Perry and I were in a large case against BP, and that's Judge Shinlin out of New York. We've asked that the panel appoint her to actually come to New Orleans and be the judge. She actually has agreed to travel, and I could see something like that happening. But I think that this case calls for something out of the box, something that will work outside of the box. So where this thing ends up is anybody's guess. I've given you a look here. What the panel looks at is they look at, first of all, what judge is available, what judge has experience, and this is going to have to be a judge that has got all kinds of experience in basically sifting through the BS and being able to make hard decisions and be able to move the cases quickly when you're dealing with these types of numbers, which is why you might see two judges. They look at where are the documents, where is the evidence located, where are the witnesses located, where are people going to have to travel, where are the plaintiffs located, and they take all that into consideration and they make a decision. So at this point, I've given you the factors. I've given you where the cases are at. It seems like it should be somewhere on the coast, but stranger things have happened.